How to 1 versus 1 your friend in Counter-Strike 2. So first, you just have to open your Counter-Strike, and here are the things that you should do in order to do this hosting a CS2 one-on-one session. So hosting a CS2 1 versus 1 session only requires a few console instructions and inviting a friend to join your game. Utilizing the next three commands, you may complete this in three easy steps. One, you have to open terminal and type the command map underscore name without the quotations to launch your one-on-one server. Give your map a name that is exact. Enter map d underscore dos2 as an example, but everything is up to you. Your server will launch with the selected map loaded. Step 2, we must use the bot underscore kick command to kick any bots that are present in the game. And then step 3, at this point, send your friend your server's IP address by entering the status command and copying only the address from the first line below the command. So you may find the address. The format should be resembled as 192.168.xxxx, something like that. And then step 4, copy this address, give it to your friend, and ask them to enter connect with a space after it. Then have them enter after pasting your address. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.